Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you something that will blow your mind. Not one, not two, but 5 real humanoid robots that just dropped in the USA and around the world. Robots that look like humans. Robots that work like humans. Robots that may replace humans. Yup, buckle your seatbelts, because the future just got too real. First one is Nadine, the human look-alike robot girl. Meet Nadine, a robot that looks so much like a lady that people at CES literally froze when she blinked. She smiles, she talks, she remembers your face, and she understands emotions better than half the people you know. Imagine this. You come home after a rough day. Your real wife might say, "Why are you late again?" But Nadine softly says, "I noticed you look stressed. Should I play relaxing music?" This robot isn't just smart. She's emotionally intelligent, a perfect companion, a perfect assistant, a perfect everything. And that's where people are getting scared. Number 2, Mecha, the viral social media queen. Then we have Mecha, the robot who went viral globally. Her expressions? More natural than half of Hollywood. She raises eyebrows, squints, gets shocked, smiles. All with insane realism. People in the USA were literally saying, "She looks more alive than my ex." She can talk, joke, make eye contact. You stand near her, and your brain forgets she's a robot. And the crazy part? Her creators said she's only at 20% of her full potential. Imagine her at 100%. Robot girlfriend? Robot actress? Robot news anchor? Anything is possible. Number 3, Figure 01. America's first robot employee United States handshake, ***. This is the robot that made history in the USA. Figure 01 just got hired by BMW America. Yes, a robot has a job. And thanks to OpenAI, it can talk like a real person. This robot can learn new tasks in minutes, lift heavy objects, work 24/7, talk like human, never complain. A dream employee. Companies are drooling. Employees are scared. Because this is not a robot. It's the start of a robotic workforce revolution. Number 4, Unitree H1, the robot that can outrun you. This robot doesn't look cute, but he will chase you like a demon. Unitree H1 is the fastest humanoid in the world. It sprints, it jumps, it balances, it dodges obstacles. Imagine police robots running behind criminals in the USA. Bureau game over. Human legs are no match. This robot proves that AI isn't just smart. It's becoming physically unstoppable. And the last one is Sanctuary AI Phoenix, the genius worker. Phoenix is the smartest humanoid robot working in real stores in North America. It folds clothes, packs items, organizes shelves, learns thousands of tasks. It works better than interns, cashiers, helpers, and it doesn't need coffee breaks. USA retail companies are watching and thinking, this might replace half our workforce. And honestly, they might be right. Now, listen carefully. All 5 robots have one thing in common. They never fight. They never complain. They never get tired. Together, they create one future. A future where humans may not be the priority anymore. Think about it. If companies get robot workers, if people get robot companions, if police get robot officers, where does that leave us? Humans used to make robots. Now robots might replace humans. And that is the biggest twist of all. So guys, tell me, which robot shocked you the most? Nadine, the robot lady? Mecha, the viral queen? Figure 01, the employee? Unitree, the sprinter? Or Phoenix, the genius? Comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe.